Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. I'm going to show you a very special trick today that few people know about. Watch the end of the video to find out what this is all about. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you have trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Now, is connect. The copper wire in that wire goes into the spark plug. Wrap it up with crazy tape. Now, let's get ready. A CD that your family doesn't use. Put the spark plug in the middle of the plate. Use a glue gun to fix it. Let it dry. Keep working with the wires. Let's prepare a pin and wrap copper core into the pin. The rest of the head. You cut the outer shell of the red wire, and it'll connect to the clamp. This clamp to connect to the generator. Electricity will flow through this metal clamp. Now, let's put the plate in a plastic tube. At the beginning of the video, we cut. Use glue to fix it. cut off the outer shell of the battery, and we're going to take a core on the inside of that battery. It's inside that battery that's going to help us put the spark in contact with the welding rod. Now, attach it to the drill to sharpen it. That first part. Prepare a power supply. Complete preparation of tools. Let's start the experiment now. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the interesting tips, and share to your friends. I wish you success and see you later.